So today we're talking about being in the energy and excitement of this is such a done deal for me every single day as a habit, and how powerfully this can shift your relationship with money, your relationship with success, your relationship with your business, all the goody good things in your life. So let's talk a bit more about the energy of excitement and this is a done deal. We hear a lot about this in the realm of personal development, about entering into the energy of this is done, I have this already, right? And a lot of people misunderstand what this is all about. They believe entering into the energy of it's a done deal means the old fake it till you make it thing. You pretend you have the thing and then somehow that makes you have the thing. Sorry, that's just not really how this stuff works. Because let's be honest, when you fake it, when you pretend that you have a thing, it doesn't feel very good. It doesn't feel authentic. It doesn't actually feel real. It feels far away. It feels like putting on a mask. It feels like putting on something that's not true.